Hello everybody, welcome to Susan's Craft Cabin. I'm sorry to all my subscribers for being so long in making new videos about lampshades, and I will be back making them shortly. The reason was, and I wanted to explain, my husband became very ill and sadly passed away, so I've been having a bit of a break. However, over the next few weeks I will try to make some videos again and show you how to make beautiful Victorian and Art Deco lampshades. Thank you for watching and thank you for your understanding. Thank you. I'd like to dedicate this little video, this collection of lampshades that Peter loved, to my darling husband.